Shwmai, helo, Bethan yma, a dwi'n mynd i ddangos chi dawns bach ar gyfer dydd cenedlaethol hapusrwydd for National Day of Happiness. We're going to do a little dance today, very short, to Pharrell's Happy. So we're going to do just the chorus here, and I dangos chi y symudiadau. From the top, we've got a step and a clap, really simple. Ond, ydych chi'n gallu ymestyn I pob cornel, reach all the corners. We're going to up, high, down, low. Ac eto, up, high, down, low. Da iawn chi. Next up, we've got some rainbow arms. That's it. So ni'n mynd dros gyda'r braich there. Y braich chwith, rainbow arms, over and over. Very nice. 4 of those. From the top, cam, clap, cam, clap, cam, clap. Breaker, dros the top, dros the top. There we go. Very good. Over the top. So we've now got a little bit of a complicated step with our legs. So we'll just do the legs at first. We're going to do cross, open, with a little jump, gyda'r bach, croesi, ac agor. We're going to do that 4 times. Os ydych chi'n gallu, dyn ni'n mynd i defnyddio'r breichiau hefyd, if you can, or use the arms here as well. Should we try? Here we go. Croesi, agor, croesi, agor, croesi, agor. 1 more, agor. Good. Almost there. We've got 1 little more move. And if you've done bar dancing with me, you'll have done this one before. Dyn ni'n gwneud roller coaster arms. So we start out to the side. We go side, over the top, and round. Side, over the top, and round. I'r ochr dros the top, and round. Da iawn chi. Gyda'r coesau, dyn ni'n mynd fel gallop side to side. So it's just a little shuffle, side to side. Step or change, step or change. That's it. Just a shuffle, like a crab, fel crank. Gyda'r breichiau. Roller coaster, roller coaster. Da iawn, dyn ni ddim ond yn gwneud 2 o nhw. Let's just have a little practice, ymarfer bach. That's it. We only have to do 2 of those though. And just to finish off our dance, I would like to see your happy moves. So we're going to finish. Go and take it online, travelling forwards, I can, 2 steps, and then in front of the camera, give me any move you like, just something that is a happy move for you. For me, I'm going to do ta-da! And a big smile at the camera to finish. Your move can be anything. Unrhyw beth chi moyn. Iawn. Ti eisiau gwneud y gyda'r cerddoriaeth? Shall we practice with the music? Da iawn chi. Barod? Right, i clapio. Rainbow. Croesi, cross. Roller coaster. 2 steps. Da iawn chi! We would love to see your dances, so if you've made a dance up and put your own move at the end, please take a video and send it to us. Diolch yn fawr. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen I edrych at eich dansiau chi.